In this video, we will learn about forward lists in C++. A forward list is a singly linked list class that is provided by the standard template library. To begin working with forward lists, we will include the forward list header file at the top of the program. We will start by declaring a forward list of integers named example. To add values to the front of our forward list, we can use the pushFront function. Let's add the values 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to example. To obtain the front element in our forward list, we can make a call to the front method. Let's output the string front element is, and then example.front. When we run the code, notice that 1 is the front element of our forward list. Next, let's call the pushFront function and pass in 0. If we output the value of the new front element to the console and run the code, notice that 0 is output. We can use a for loop to iterate over each element in the forward list. We will output the element and then an empty space to the console. When we run the code, notice that the values 0 through 5 were printed out. To reverse a forward list, we can use the reverse function. Let's reverse our forward list and then output the values to the console. When we run the code, notice that the forward list was output in reverse order.